What if I told you that feeling lost is not your problem? It's the misunderstanding of it. It's the meaning that you're giving about feeling lost that is causing you the problem. Think about this. Everything that we experience is based on the meaning we personally give to that thing. It's our perspective. It's how we see it in our eyes. I want you to reflect on this because this is essential. If you understand this, everything will start changing. Because when we reframe the problem and we see it through a different lens, a different perspective, we start changing. We start changing our questions. We start changing and thinking about other possibilities. We are more open to new opportunities. So specifically, let me tell you that feeling lost is not a problem. You are attaching to it a meaning that it makes even worse. And what if I told you that actually feeling lost, it's the first step of your waking up, of your awakening. Awakening to what? To the truth. Finally, letting yourself, giving yourself the possibility to question. Because imagine this, when you feel lost, it's because you start questioning something, right? You start doubting something, you start questioning something, you start to see things maybe from a different lens. But nobody taught you, us, everybody, that feeling lost is not that you're failing, is not that you are behind in life, is not that you're going crazy, is not life punishing you. Is actually life giving you the opportunity to stop for a moment and finally pay attention and questioning the truth. Maybe there is something that needed to fall apart. Maybe there is something that you truly need to question about yourself. Am I on my true path? Am I following my heart? Am I following my intuition? Am I making choices from fear or conditioning? Or am I making choices to what I truly want? Have I built a life that is aligned to who I truly am? Or I built a life from inherited beliefs, from conditioning, from societies, from families' expectations. This is huge. So feeling lost, when I felt lost 6 years ago, when my life completely crumbled, all of a sudden, in just a few months, very quickly, every aspect of my life, I completely felt lost. And yes, in the moment, I had this mentality of victimhood. Why this is happening to me, what I did wrong, right? After all these years of hard work, this is what I deserve. And of course, at the beginning, especially when it's the first time that you feel the way you're feeling right now, this is the first reaction. But then I started to respond instead of react. And I started to think maybe this is happening for a reason, because everything happens for a reason. There are no coincidences. Everything happens for a reason. And so I started to doubt myself. I started to question the maybe. What if there is a better way? What if there is a better path? What if I need to change something in myself if I truly want to live the life that I truly want to live? Maybe it's time to stop for a moment and start reconnecting with that part of you that has been suppressed, forgotten, from things that you are not. And so feeling lost, what it truly is, it's a great opportunity and possibilities that you have right now to start rebuild something from scratch, from zero. And if you truly think about it, how lucky you are. how lucky you are, even because if something happened to you that made you feel lost, so you can start questioning. If it didn't happen to you, you wouldn't be able to questioning. You will keep moving forward in your life in autopilot. The same thing over and over and over again. Same habits, same things that make you feel bad, right? You wouldn't be able to stop and questioning. So the real problem is never feeling lost. It's never feeling fear. It's never feeling sad. It's never nothing of all these things are the problem. It's the meaning that we attach to it. It's the perspective that we have about this. So what I suggest that you're gonna do after this video is really stay with that feeling, connect with yourself, spend time alone, 30 minutes, 1 hour, go for a long walk in silence, do whatever you need to reconnect with yourself, to calm yourself down, to calm your mind down, and start reflecting that maybe, wait a minute, let's start to see this thing from a different angle. Is there anything that you need to change that is not in alignment with your heart, with who you truly are? Is there something that maybe you wanted to start for a long time, but you're postponing, you're suppressing, and now finally is the time? I can give you 1,000 examples, but the concept is change the meaning you are attaching to this feeling lost. And I can guarantee you, when you start changing the meaning you attach to this feeling, the question that you have changes. The opportunity that are presenting to you changes. What you now see are things that you couldn't see before. So feeling lost is actually, at the end of everything, a blessing. Reflect on the meaning. I hope this video was helpful, and see you in the next one. Bye.